Hey guys, thanks for the quick fill. Sorry I didn't get to it a little quicker. Here we go. Let's run it. Pad on top, pad on the bottom. Copy. Go live. 4 away from breaking, guys. Put another top 2 up. Happy Thanksgiving. 12:24 a.m. 12:24. Drop our list in. Same list. Pad top, pad on the bottom. 2 dice, no snake eyes in my room. 12:24. 12 times 24. 12 times top 2. 10 items in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After 11, we got Paul, Mike on the bottom, 11 times, 12, 24, 24. Once again, the dice was a 12. 12th and final time as soon as we click over to 12:25 a.m. Click 12:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Last and final click. Top 2 are Mike Granger in the 8-hole and Paul Worth in the 3-hole. Congrats, guys. 12 times, 12:25, 12 on the dice. Congrats, sorry everybody else. Done at 12:25, 12:25. Thanks, guys.